Hey, it's Kate. Today's project is a soil sifter. I want to be able to use the soil sifter on top of my wheelbarrow, so I measure that first and draw out a plan. I'll be using this reclaimed lumber and this 1/2-inch screening. First I need to cut the lumber, so I square up one end of each board and then mark my measurements. Now I can cut all the pieces to size. I want the frame to nest on top of the wheelbarrow securely, so I'm adding notches to the bottoms of the cross pieces. I did some extra measuring to get the shape right. After cutting the first piece, I double-checked my work on the wheelbarrow, and it fits great. So I cut the same notches into the second piece. Then it's a matter of assembly. Clamping it together makes pre-drilling and setting the screws much easier. I'll be using decking screws to fasten it together. Once I got it assembled, I realized I used the wrong measurements for the shorter interior pieces. So I take off one side and remeasure and double check, then trim off the extra 3 inches and assemble it a second time. And I do another check with the wheelbarrow to make sure it's going to work.
Nice.
Now it's time for the mesh. I lay it on the frame to mark the length. Then I take it outside and cut it to size. Then it's back inside to finish this off. A frame like this often has the mesh stapled to the frame, but I don't have any staples, and I want all the fasteners to be rated for outside use. So I came up with a plan to use short decking screws with washers meant for roofing. That's what I had. Now the sifter is all assembled and ready to use. It feels really solid. The frame is holding together really well, and the decking screws to hold the mesh are way overkill. So I expect this sifter will last for years into the future. I won't be sifting all my soil and compost, but this will be great for making seed starting mix to get any big pieces out of the way for little seedlings. And I'm sure I'll find some other uses for it too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.